Hey, it's Wes, and today we're going to go over how to clean some moss off your roof if you got a shady spot. Coming up next. And there is a close-up of the moss right there. Here's a close-up of some more moss growing on the roof. I'm going to go through and try to clean this all off through here. There is moss growing up underneath the crown. It also likes to grow along where the shingles meet the siding on the house. And here's some bigger clumps growing at the edges of the shingles. First up, we're going to go and take my leaf blower and blow this roof off and the top of my house. And we're going to do both roofs at the same time. So next up, we're going to mix all the ingredients together. We're going to do a 2-gallon mix. Below, I'll put the mix for a 1-gallon ratio. This one is going to have a half gallon of bleach. We're also going to use 1 cup of TSP in this. This is to help it stick to the shingles a little bit. You can also use 1 cup of just like laundry detergent or any kind of detergent, but this TSP will help clean it even more than just the bleach will. Also, I wanted to make sure you check how much chlorine you have in the bleach you get, because some of the cheaper brands, they'll have lower ratios. This has 7.5% of the sodium hydrochloride. And yeah, just watch what you're gonna get right here, because sometimes the ratios will drop a little bit. So we have 1.5 gallons of water in here. We're gonna fill it up to the 2-gallon line with this bleach here. There we go. And this wasn't actually a full gallon. This is 2.53 quarts. It actually only need about 2 quarts. So just watch that if you're doing a 2-gallon mix. And then next up, we're gonna add the TSP. Now we will seal the top up. We're gonna shake this around a bit just to get everything mixed real well. Okay, now we're gonna head up on the roof and spray the areas that have the moss growing. Also, when you want to do this is on a cloudy day, just to make it so it doesn't evaporate as fast. You could also do it towards the evening, towards dusk when the sun's starting to set, just so you get the maximum time on the roof. And now we're gonna spray the affected roof area. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top, just so we're not walking through it. You can see it cleaning the dirt right away. Now we will spray off the shed where some moss is growing. Now after you're done spraying on the roof, I would empty the mix out of here and I would fill it up with water, or fresh water, and flush it through your sprayer just one time, just because those chemicals are pretty hard and it might be hard on the rubber seals and everything through it. It's been about 2 weeks since we sprayed the solution on, just giving it some time for the moss to dry out and die. Next, I used a broom to lightly brush away the moss. Don't brush too hard because you don't want to remove too many cinders off your shingles because it will damage your roof. So we've sprayed down both roofs, my shed and the house. You do, if you want to, you can wait a half hour and rinse them off just to get the chemicals off, or you can wait until the next rain and it will rinse it away too. But thanks for coming along today on this video on how to clean the roof. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. There will be more videos like this in the future. And as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.